guys, this is my newly restored Deckson mower. I believe it's a Mustang mower or something. So yeah, this is it. It's been fully restored and we've bought new stickers, got them made. Yeah, so everything was stripped down and painted. Yeah. Runs well, doesn't smoke. So little Briggs is Stratton 5/4. Like I said, runs like a champion. Got the old metal seat there. Forward and back gears. And then you have your little clutch. Push it in, make it go. Yeah, I shall start it up for you, and yep. Use a small tripod. Alright, I know the camera's not completely on the mower. I didn't want it to be. So, choke. Alright, it's ready to pull over now. Should have stopped. Come on, put a spark to it. That definitely should have started. Let's go choke. Well, fire then. Come on. Start up for me. It has a coil problem that when it gets hot, see, this is sort of a warm start. Yeah, when it gets hot, it doesn't like to start. So I'll bring back a part 2 for you. Alright, I'm coming back with part 2. I think it should start now. Just check petrol. I'll get some more and fuel it up. It's not much in there. Alright, so I'll put some fuel in it and let's see if it starts up.